Alright, this is a Vulcan brand new helmet, and I've experienced this with other helmets too, other brands. It's auto darkening. Got my flashlight here. I'm gonna shine it into there. And I know they say they're safe for your eyes. I don't 100% believe that personally, but that's just my opinion. There is some type of, if you look in there is a shade already in there, so of course it's better than nothing. Better than just your bare eyes. But I think you get a little arc flash as soon as you start welding, and it auto darkens. In just that split second, I think you get flashed. And over time doing that thousands, hundreds of times, I think it'll develop some type of problem probably. That's just my personal opinion though. Every single helmet I've seen does this pretty much. I haven't had any of the super high-end ones like $1,000 ones, but a lot of the ones I've tried to do this. So I'm gonna flash the flashlight in here, and you guys are gonna come underneath. The camera's gonna come underneath, and you guys are gonna see. You're gonna get flashed. Okay, bring the phone under here. Close the door, you know? As you can see, it was super bright at the beginning for a split second. I'm gonna turn it on again. Okay. Now let me see if I can show this more accurately. So what I heard one guy say was he always closes his eyes right before he strikes the arc. He closes his eyes, hits the trigger, or pokes the rod, whatever you're doing, whatever type of welding you're doing. Strike the arc, close your eyes before you strike the arc, and then open them right away, and your helmet should be dark, auto darkened already. And I'm sure that'll probably help you somewhat. So I don't know, that's what I'm doing from now on, and you guys can do whatever you want. I ain't no doctor or nothing like that. It's just my personal opinion. I think that's what everybody should be doing. Because I know when I first started welding, I just kept my eyes open the whole time. Nobody ever told me differently. So keep that in mind, guys. Maybe some of the really high-end helmets auto darken super fast. I'm not sure, I haven't had those. But for everybody else, I recommend you do that. This channel is all about trying to help people, help you fix your car, helping you in every way possible, you know? Sometimes I try to look something up and nobody's showing how to do it, so I make a video. Try to show you guys how to do it so you guys don't go through a lot of stuff that I go through. This way we all learn from each other.